Most people get this wrong when searching for apps that pay instantly to your bank account. Why? They assume every app promising quick cash actually sends money straight away. But in reality, only a small number of apps reliably support fast payouts, and even fewer truly qualify as instant. Here's the truth no one tells you. Instant payment apps don't mean instant income. They mean faster withdrawal processing once you've already earned enough through tasks, surveys, cashback, or offers. In this video, you'll learn the top 5 apps in 2026 that actually pay to your bank account, how they work, and what you should realistically expect from each one. Let's start with the first category, reward task apps. These include platforms like free cash-style services where you earn by completing game offers and online tasks. For example, Alex from Texas might finish a mobile game milestone and cash out via PayPal or direct transfer depending on availability. Some users report fast withdrawals, sometimes within hours, but only after meeting minimum thresholds. But here's the problem. These apps are not consistent for everyone. Offer availability depends heavily on region, device, and advertiser demand. So one user may see high-paying tasks, while another sees very few. Now here's where it gets interesting. Survey apps like Swagbucks type platforms also offer bank-friendly payouts. John from California might answer a few surveys and redeem earnings through PayPal or gift cards, which can then be transferred to a bank account. It is slower, but more stable. Next, we have cashback apps. These are among the most reliable for real bank transfers. When you shop online, you get percentage back. For example, buying something you already planned to purchase and getting money refunded directly. These apps are not fast-earning tools, but they are extremely consistent over time. Another strong category is gig-style microtask apps. These platforms pay users for small jobs, like testing apps, reviewing content, or simple online work. Payouts vary, but some support direct bank transfers once you reach minimum earnings. Now let's talk about earning speed. Most apps do not actually pay instantly, in the literal sense. Even the fastest ones usually take a few minutes to a few hours for processing, depending on verification and payout method. But here's the key insight most users miss. The fastest payouts usually come from apps with PayPal or wallet integration, rather than direct bank transfer. Once you receive funds in your wallet, you can transfer them to your bank almost immediately. So what is the final takeaway? The best apps are not just the fastest, but the most reliable. Consistency matters more than instant hype. If you combine cashback apps for passive savings, survey apps for steady income, and task apps for higher payouts, you can build a balanced earning system. If you found this breakdown helpful, like the video, comment your experience with earning apps, and subscribe for more honest guides that help you avoid wasting time online.